morning, guys. What's going on? What's happening? I am walking through the jungle once again, trying to spot some sloths in the trees. That's gonna take some time of looking around though. For now, we'll just be enjoying the nice scenery of the wild.
We found our first animal on the trail, caterpillar.
Anafi just performed its first international flight. That was awesome. You guys have probably already seen the footage, but I was actually really nervous to do that. Ah, man. International flights are the coolest, especially in rainforests. We're heading over to the island now. We're on the ferry. This is Marlo. Nice to meet you. You want to tell us a little bit about Tobago?
Tobago is like a little island and it has like rainforest on it, but it has a nice beach. Most tourists like this guy from New York goes to that beach, so he's gonna get a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. Now, can you see it right now? Can you see the island right now?
Yeah, you can see the island. It's right in front of you.
That's us? That's all right. So that's the island that we're heading to right now. Thank you very much. Boom, found it. Hey. So we're out to eat now with a beautiful lunch on the beach at this restaurant and this island in general. My sister's dying over here. They don't really care about bringing your food out together. When food is done in the back, they bring it out. I just got my meal. And my brother finished his a while back. They have pink rice though, that's pretty good. So we just brought a bag of bread into this water. Look how much fish we got. Amanda for bringing the bread. You got mascara right.
Oh no. In the rainforest, and this time we're gonna be in here for sunset. We're at a river. We got a couple turtles. Hello there, turtles. Turtles? There's a lot of them actually.
One there, one there.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Wow. It's supposed to be like a turtle haven. Let's keep going. There's not a better feeling than being immersed in nature. Just listen to that. It's beautiful. Love listening to the birds. Sometimes you get a monkey that howls.
That makes you
Nothing.
not happy. We just finished up backpacking through the jungle. Our Uber is right here. So I'll see you guys. Oh yeah, another one of these at the Hard Rock Hotel. Since it's our last day here in Panama City, we're all gonna go around our buffet table and tell you our favorite part about Panama City and why you should visit it. David?
Sandblast Islands, relaxing.
Amanda!
Honestly, I came to Panama thinking that this place is going to be run down. I'm not going to be able to leave my hotel room, and go figure, actually has been one of the best cities I've ever been to. So modern, so good. I mean, there's McDonald's every single block, basically. And I mean, the culture here is just beautiful. Food, the scenery, the town itself does so much for the community, putting up beautiful Christmas lights and New Year's decorations. This is definitely the city to go to, 100%.
My best part about being in Panama was sitting in the front seat on the jungle road, listening to all you complain as I sat in my comfortable seat.
And what was your nickname for this trip?
Mr. Comfortable.
They're laughing about that. I had no room.
That we called it.
Panama is definitely a country I plan on visiting again in the near future, with its dense rainforest packed with wildlife, beautiful animals, especially I like seeing monkeys particularly. I thought that was pretty interesting. And then we got stunning beaches. We have a modern city from the Panama Canal that's bringing in all this money. Since 1999, Panama has had the control over the Panama Canal, and so that's why they are able to have such a beautiful, this city is like a mini Manhattan, honestly, it really is. This vlog though will be a continuation going into tomorrow, where we will be flying. So without further ado, come fly with me. Another airplane bathroom vibe. I have to cover this so you guys can hear me. Currently we are about 1,000 feet up in the air, and this trip has been amazing. We have seen a couple islands along the way that I haven't seen before, so that was pretty cool. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and alright, see you.